How to see deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can see and view the deleted messages on Messenger. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to see those unsent messages on Messenger, it's very simple. We are going to do this with the help of our own devices feature called notification history. Now this feature is actually available in almost all Android phones these days, but if you do not have this feature, then you can download any app from the Google Play Store or App Store to keep track of your notification history. Now to show you guys that it actually works, I'm going to send a message right in front of you. So currently I'll just see that you can see I have actually received a message from this specific profile. So in this case, I'll also just go ahead and try to send a specific message over here. So if I send a specific message, let's say demo and hi, I just tap on the send button. Now this is my own account over here, so I'll receive a notification. Most likely, as you can see, I've received a notification. But now I will also go ahead and then unsend this message over here. I'll just tap on the remove option, or I'll tap on the remove for you or remove from everyone. So if it says remove for you, you can remove it as well. But for the other person, let's say that the message has not actually been received, or even if you actually send it from another message right over here, I'll show you. I'll go ahead and then delete these messages as well. So let's say I'm the other person over here. So let's say I'm this person right over here. I'll also go ahead and show you what that looks like. In order to view that specific message, what I need to do is, what I want to do is go ahead and open up the settings application. Here you want to go to the option called notifications. Under notifications, go to the option called advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you want to go to notification history. Here you want to make sure that this is turned on, and you can see the messages that we received on Messenger. Now it means that our phone is going to keep a track of all of the notifications that we have received, and it's going to show us the history, which means that even if they unsend it but we received a notification, it is still going to show up over here and what the message actually was if you received a notification. But if you didn't receive a notification for this message, you will not be able to view it, so you have to keep that in mind. But it works as long as you receive a notification, as long as you're connected to the internet and your notification history is turned on, it's going to work then. And that's all it takes to turn on notifications history and then see those unsent messages on Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.